Q8464. Which of the following may a certificated airframe and power plant mechanic perform on aircraft and approve for return to service? 1. A 100-hour inspection. 2. An annual inspection under specified circumstances. 3. A progressive inspection under specified circumstances. A. 1, 2. B. 1, 3. C. 1, 2, and 3. The correct answer is B. A certified mechanic with airframe and power plant ratings is permitted to do a 1-hour examination on an airframe and engine and approve the aircraft for return to operation under 14 CFR 5565, 85, and 65.87. 2. Which states regarding a progressive inspection that if the aircraft is away from the station where inspections are normally conducted, an appropriately rated mechanic, a certificated repair station, or the manufacturer of the aircraft may perform inspections in accordance with the procedures and using the forms of the person who would otherwise perform the inspection. 8464-1. What is ATA iSpec 2200? A. Standardized electronic documentation for aircraft models. B. Fuel specifications for transport category airplanes. C. Airline transport catalog for aircraft parts. The correct answer is A. ATA iSpec 2200 is a standardized electronic documentation for aircraft models. It defines a common structure for technical publications in the aviation industry, including aircraft maintenance manuals, illustrated parts catalogs, and other related technical documentation. It is widely used by airlines, aircraft manufacturers, and maintenance providers around the world.